What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It be your boy Eddie, aka Inzane, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another video. Right now we is headed to the shop as usual to see what's up, see what's happening, what's popping, what's the word. Oh my god, bro, my dumb ass, I was so concentrated on filming the intro, bro. I kept, oh my god, you don't know how many takes it did. But I forgot to go to the bank. Whatever, I'll go on. Oh well, I'll bring on the money Monday. But we about to see what's up with the Supra. What else is missing, what else is popping, if they got anything new in, or you know, brand new what's happening. It was so about to pop up. Supra looks like it's in the same spot. I'm not gonna lie, I can see it from here. Looks like they ain't even doing anything, but we about to see what's up, what's the info, what's the update. Cause yeah, I need to see what I'm bringing in the seats and all that good so. All right, fam, we got some good news, but I'm gonna go show y'all how the Supra looks right now, just so the new people, if y'all been watching and y'all guys are new to the rebuild, bro. This has been months in the making, bro. This accident happened last July. The car's been here since last July, and if you guys been watching from the beginning of the accident, the rebuild, you guys will see that this thing's changed a lot. The car looks hella good. Got hella good news. I'll update you guys right now, but the Supra's looking good. It's not done right now, but almost done. And this is what it's looking like right now, bro. She looks so good. They got the spacers on. Everything just looks so good, bro. Look at that fitment, bro. Oh my god. I just gotta ask them if they actually put the 15 mil in the back and not in the front. Because I got a 13 mil and a 15 mil, and the 15 mil supposed to go in the rear. But for some reason, I feel like they put the 13 for some reason. I don't know why. I could be wrong though, but she looks hella good, bro. I could lower it 2 more if you want, but it's not even settled yet. She's coming along, bro. The seats in, but you know these seats are about to come out, and we're about to get some brand new seats up in this B. We still got the door handles, steering wheel. We got some news on the steering wheel as well. About to update you guys on that in a little bit. But yeah, bro, she's pretty much done, and can't wait to have her back, bro. It's been so many months that I've been waiting for her to come back. Got the carbon diffuser, waiting on the exhaust still too, the single exit. So yeah, Arcade Titanium told me they're shipping it out this week. Hopefully tomorrow they ship it out, because they said they're not trying to ship it out no later than Monday. So let's hope for that, because on Monday he said he's getting all the parts basically to have this car done by next Friday. So next Friday, guys, we should have the car back.
Stop the cap.
He said it, next Friday we should be done with the car. They're gonna paint the wheels gloss black and everything, and the car will be back by Friday. So we're hoping by Friday it'll be back and it's done. I will be dropping off the seats on Monday as well. Hopefully the exhaust comes very soon. So hopefully next week we get this be back, and should be back on the road real soon, bro. Real damn soon. Damn, bro, just the lighting here capturing it looks so good. Damn, I can't wait to have her back, bro. Shout out to ABC Auto Body Shop for killing it as always, bro. They've been working on all my cars and they always kill it. So if y'all ever need some work, bro, ABC Auto Body Shop, you know where to come, bro. Not even done buffing it, sanding it, none of that. They still need to do all that. So damn, bro, the paint looks good too. Everything's fine. It's so dirty because of the dust and the rain and all that. She'll be back, guys. Real soon, real soon. We're praying next week, bro. We're praying next week. So hopefully the next video you guys see will be me picking up the Supra, actually. So let's hope, bro. Let's hope the next video after this one, maybe. If not, after this one, another one, we should be coming back for the Supra, bro. Sheesh, bro. That's in a week, bro. That's in a week. Today is Friday, so that is a week from now. So we'll be back, man. We'll see what's up. What's happening? What's happening? Hold on. Let me open up the curtains. Alright, so I just got home from work and I just got a package, and it's from a 90 shop. We got some today, bro. I'm about to unbox it and show y'all. It's about to be my first time seeing it too. It's covered, bro. It's teasing. Oh, dude. We're about to both see it at the same time. Y'all ready? I can feel like the thickness, bro. It feels better than
What did he say?
the OEM steering wheel. As you guys can see, full Alcantara, bro. I did the full suede. Ooh, damn, bro. Look at the blue ring, the stitching. Damn, bro. This is hella sick. Obviously, I gotta transfer my buttons and all that, the paddle shifters to this one, but dude, this thing came out so sick. Let me know what y'all think. Did the full suede Alcantara finish on this because didn't want the carbon, just wanted to do full Alcantara this time. Did order some LED shifters, which is gonna be so sick if y'all seen those. Ordered those. Those are coming in pretty soon, hopefully Tuesday. Good news, good news. We just got the email of the Arcade Titanium exhaust getting shipped out. So we are getting the Arcade Titanium next week. It is arriving. We finally got email confirmation with tracking number saying it's arriving next week. Everything is lining up, bro. So if it goes as planned, we should have the Supra back next Friday, bro. Hopefully, if everything's going as planned, everything's aligning so far. So if it does, we will be back with Supra next Friday, bro. And yet we're still waiting on wheels too. We still gotta get the starlights done. Bro, there's a lot of stuff coming towards the Supra. So if y'all ain't subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed because a lot of stuff is coming for that Supra. Trust me, we ain't even done yet. Put y'all right here. I just got to the gym. What's good, y'all? It's been I think a couple days since I picked up the camera. I don't know, but about to get to the gym, get this workout. Like I said, trying to stay disciplined and motivated, and just stick to what I gotta do. And yeah, about to get this workout. About to hit legs on a Monday. Fuck it, start off the week on legs. Then we're gonna go to the shop and see what's up. So today they said they were gonna install the seats, so I might have to go take the seats today, and then get the right fitment for me so I can like sit right. And then we also hopefully they installed the side skirts, the lip. I think they're installing the sensor today, and they're installing a transmission mount today. I think that's what they're doing. That's what they told me. They're gonna paint the wheels this week, so they're gonna have the wheels off and they're gonna paint them gloss black. Oh, and I have to go to AutoZone to get high temperature paint so I can paint the calipers, because if the wheels are gonna be off, might as well have them paint the calipers as well. So that's what we're gonna do. So I decided to go with the blue and white lettering just because when the wheels come, guys, you guys will understand why. Hella excited. Hopefully the car gets back this week, bro. So hopefully the next video you guys see, I'm picking up the car. So that's what I'm hoping. The next video you guys see, I am picking up the car. So let's hope. But I do want to film like a dope reveal of it coming back. Then like the wheels aren't here, so that's what sucks. But I probably still do it. I'll probably still do that. And then the wheels would just come when they come. But I think I'm gonna have my boy Chris help me with that video, because he can help me get some dope drone shots, and we've talked about doing that for a while. So when he comes back, I think he's in San Fran right now. When he comes back, hopefully we can get that video in, and we'll finally have the Supra back in the channel. Well, it was never gone, but you know what I mean. Look at this workout. If y'all haven't get your workout in, make sure y'all get that workout in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get your mind right, get your body right, get your spirit right, everything, you feel me? That's what I'm trying to do. At the end of the day, we all humans, and we just all trying to figure this out ourselves together, and we're both just, you know, we're all grinding together, trying to figure this thing called out life, you feel me? So we just finished up, or I just finished up at the gym, got my workout in. I am tired, I'm hungry, so that's actually what I'm about to do. So first we're gonna go to AutoZone, see if they got any of that high temperature paint that I need, so we can cop that. And then I'm gonna get some food for me and my mama, because I am hungry, bro. The Yoshinoya sounds bomb. And bro, if you guys know what Yoshinoya is and you live in Cali, you know what that is. Bro, these coupons, bro, they be hitting crazy. Because in high school I used to have like a crazy little addiction to Yoshinoya, where it was like every day after high school I'd get Yoshinoya. It was like a crazy little addiction that I had. But now that, you know, I haven't really ate Yoshinoya, I've been craving it lately, so we're gonna get some of that. Alright, say man, hey man. So we got the food is secured, and we also got the paint. Let me show you guys. If you guys ever want to paint your calipers, high temperature paint, you feel me? We got 2 of them just in case. I don't know how many he needed, but we just got 2 just in case. And yeah, so we're gonna do light blue calipers with the Toyota Supra lettering white, which is gonna look so sick. I think it's gonna look nice, and especially with the wheels when they come in, bro. I'm telling y'all, the wheels, y'all, if y'all been watching the channel, y'all know what wheels they are. But if y'all don't, then you're gonna have to wait when the wheels get here. Just know they're my dream wheels. I've been wanting them for the Camry too, but we got it for the Supra. It was a must, I had to. Hopefully they should be arriving within the end of, hopefully this month or March, hopefully. They is coming from Japan, so that's a hint right there for y'all. Yo, shout out to the boy, bro. Yeah, this is the boy's brand, DD. It's for Dapper Development. You got the 2222 right on the damn leg. Got that 3D puff. Bro, this is some good quality, bro. This is fire. And it's just perfect too, because I just bought these fresh all white Air Forces, you feel me? And it just goes perfect with this fit. Got the hoodie on too, feel me? Dapper on the DD. Bro, tell me this ain't fire, bro. The whole fit too. And then I got the hat too if I wanted to, but it just be way too much damn blue. I mean, this already is enough blue, but you feel me? Like, I got blue seats. I got a blue car, bro. I'm like, you feel me? I'm blued out. Like, no damn. Even my bed sheets, bro. Hey, shout out to the boy David, bro. If y'all would love, if y'all fuck with this, you know, go check out his stuff. You know, I'll put his thing right here on the screen, and his link to his shop and all that will be in the description down below if you guys want to check out his stuff. You know, he got fire stuff, his hats. You feel me? Let me show you a couple of his hats. Got this black one right here. If you haven't seen this, it's like a black suede DD with the red brim. This is fire, bro. Got the little racing flag on the side. Dapper Development on the side. And then he got the blue one, bro. I like this one. This blue one right here, fire. You feel me? With the LA right here on the side, 222. See focus. And the racing flag and then the pink brim, bro. Fire. So you feel me? If I even want to throw this on, jeez, I'm blued out. You feel me? Look, no joke. Damn, bro. Hella Dapper Development now. I'm a walking advertisement for him. No cap, but yo. Just showing love to the boy because his stuff is dope. And if y'all just want to check out his stuff, link in the description. And I was just talking to him, bro, and we're talking in the works to hopefully make some Inzane merch and see, you know, see what's up. I'm gonna probably do a little small drop, something real small. We're gonna get cooking. If it all goes well, we'll do a little drop and I'll drop some shirts and some hoodies. And if you guys rock with the design and you guys want to support the boy, I'd really appreciate it. But we'll see what's up. We're in the talks though, you know. We in the talks on some, maybe some merch coming soon. Yo, trip out on this, bro. I pulled up to the shop because I'm here to see my car, but I ended up seeing my dad's work truck in the damn shop. Look. So he said some guy cut him off, but what the fuck, bro? That is insane. Goddamn, dude. The luck that we have, the luck that me and my dad have, bro, with cars. Shit, but I bet they ain't doing shit to Supra though. Crazy, bro. Crazy. What the fuck, bro? So we are home now, me and my pops. We made it home, and it sucks, you know. My dad got into an accident. He said it was the other guy's fault though, so insurance is working all that out. Hopefully it gets all situated. Well, it is gonna get situated, but resolved. You feel me? We're talking on the Supra, so they haven't got any parts yet. And we're still waiting on the sensor, and he literally called them right in front of me, and he said that it should arrive tomorrow. It should arrive tomorrow. He said he was gonna move the Supra today to the front of the body shop so they can take the wheels off, paint the wheels, and paint the calipers. Because I dropped off the paint, so he said he was gonna paint the calipers and all that. So hopefully he does that tomorrow. And yeah, so I don't think we're looking at Friday. We're getting the car back on Friday. If I'm being honest, bro. Just by the looks of it and everything, the way it's going, I don't think we're gonna get it by Friday. Oh, and it just sucks because I know it's gonna rain next week, bro, and I just want my car. But it is what it is, type shit. You know, I can't do nothing. It's out of my control. It's literally out of my control. Just gotta wait. Just literally gotta wait. It is what it is. Yeah, but I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I don't want to just keep stretching it. So I'm gonna just end it here. Next video, it'll either be the reveal, and if it's not the reveal, it's me going to the shop, seeing the update tomorrow and see what's up. But I don't want to stretch this video out so damn long and just wait on the updates. We're going to end the video here, y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy and be part of the family. Wish I could just give you more updates and all that, but this is literally like the updates that I got. So this is real time, you know. And it's just out of my control. I wish I had the parts and everything so I could give it to them and they can install it, but I don't have all the parts that they need. So hopefully the sensor comes in tomorrow and they can do all that. He said he was gonna paint it tomorrow too, so let's see if that's true. In the next video, you guys will see if I'm recording all that. And if the next video is the reveal, then it's the reveal. If not, it's gonna be the video after that. This has been your boy Eddie.